Good evening, sleepyheads. Welcome back to Snore City. I do hope you enjoy your stay. Make sure you got a glass of water by your bedside. You're all snuggled up. Or if it's too hot, then unsnuggle up. Got your partner by your side, or some plushies by your side, whatever. Get comfy, get some water. Get ready for some relaxational Minesweeper. And that's right, we're here playing some Minesweeper. I went through a little Minesweeper phase some years ago, and it is a game I really enjoy playing, and I found an app with a whole bunch of different games on it, and I thought, oh, I want to play some Minesweeper. So that's what we'll be doing tonight. I'm so glad you've joined me. I am so ready to just relax and play some Minesweeper. If you don't know how it works, then you'll find out. It's a classic game. Proper classic game, and it's a good game. So I don't know how much mileage we're going to get out of Minesweeper, but we'll find out. Minesweeper is always fun. So, let's start somewhere in the middle. Oh, no, let's go for a corner. Let's go for a corner. So, under all these tiles, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 times 14. Whatever that is how many tiles we have here. And under these tiles, 27 of these tiles have bombs. So we need to identify them all. So, let's start. Ooh, there's some sounds going on here. Let's start with the corner. Let's take out the top right. Ooh, beautiful quadrant. So, those numbers tell you how many adjacent boxes tiles have a bomb hiding under it. So, this one up here clearly has a bomb under it. And that one, ooh, in the top left. I'm not convinced there's a bomb here. I'm going to leave that for now. Let's start digging. And that bottom right, nice. Let's go then bottom left and top left. No! Okay, well, we've already failed. I probably shouldn't haphazardly, yeah. You see, it wasn't in the top bit there. Interesting. Okay, let's, okay, we're back trying again. Let's go top right again. Okay. Bottom left. Nice. We can work with this. We can work with this. So the bomb can't be here. It cannot be. Because if that's here, then that means this has to have a bomb, which means this one here would have 2 bombs. If that one's here, that would set a fight. Why did you dig? What? Level failed? Well, I was marking. Okay, we're back with another one. I don't know what happened there. Bottom left. Okay. Let's smack one here. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like that. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. We've got some easy bomb action going on here. That one, that one, that one. That one. And that one. Which means you two have to be clear. Okay. That's you. So you have to be clear. And you have to be clear. And you have to be clear. Okay. You've got a bomb. You have a bomb. That doesn't really help us too much. You have a bomb, which means you don't, and you do. Beautiful. That's the bottom half. Beautifully scoped it out. We have 17 more bombs to find. Oh, you're good. That means you're good. Nice. 3 bombs. That makes you a bomb. Which means you're not a bomb. Oh no, that means you are a bomb. Oh, I got it the wrong way around. What's wrong with me? And there's the rest of them. Okay, damn, we were doing pretty well. Okay, let's try again. This is on the hardest difficulty that this game allows. Ooh. Ooh. No! Come on. Damn it. Okay, let's try again. You. Beautiful. Okay. Where do we go from here? Ah. You. Nice. On that left stretch, what are the chances it's like that? No, it can't be. It's impossible. You could... no, that would work. Because maybe it's like this. That would be a legal setup. There's too many choices there. Let's head down here. Damn it! Oh. Okay, okay. It's locking in time now. Bosh, down the middle. Ooh. Okay. That's given us some easy dubs. Whoops. Damn it, you gave two away. Or just one away? I can't remember where I marked the one over here. No, why did I dig? I went to flag it. Oh, come on, stop making these blunders. Ah, okay, come on. Give me something. There we go. You, and you, and you. Okay. Okay, locking in like never before. Whoa. I like that. I like that. Good. Good. Ooh. Ah. There we go. That's you three. So if you have your two met, then you're fine. You have to have a bomb there then. This one now has two next to it, so we can dig that one. Ah. Oh, and for you to have two, that means you are a bomb, which certifies you having four bombs. Okay. And you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're also good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so throwing back into question now. We're doing really good here. 15 bombs left. This is hard. Oh, okay. Guess there's a bit more clarity. I don't think we can safely dig anymore. Not without knowing what we're digging. Because there is a bomb right around here. This is hard. By design, of course. Okay, so let's start doing some logistical reasoning here. This stretch, 2's all over the place. I don't like that. There's only one bomb around here. So if the bomb's up here, that means this two's bombs. It can't be there because we need 2 bombs in this stretch here and 2 bombs in this stretch. We can only have 1 bomb here. If you're the bomb, then we can have bombs here and here, and that would satisfy these 3. A bomb here would, I think it has to be that way. Yeah, logistically had to be that way. Okay. And that gives this one its 2 bombs, so you're clear. You only have 1 bomb, so you 2 are clear, which means you are a bomb because of these 2, which means this one isn't a bomb. And now we are cooking. So you have to be a bomb because of you 2. Now that you 2 are satisfied, you're not a bomb. That takes away those 2. Bosh, that's that 4 done and dusted. So you're up here, you've got 3, so you're chilling. That means you have to be a bomb, which means you're not a bomb. Okay. Whew. So we have disarmed that top right quadrant. We just now have this little stretch down here. We've only got 8 bombs left. Whew, okay. So, the bomb cannot be here, because that would mean these 2 are clear, and this one needs 2 bombs. So we know this cannot be a bomb logically. So there are 3 bombs around here. If this one's the bomb, and see now that one could be the bomb, this one could be the bomb, but then no, this one has to be the bomb. Because if that one's a bomb now, there's 3. So if this one is a bomb, that means this 2 are satisfied, which means that's not a bomb. So this one would have to be the bomb. But that would mean this 3 up here has now 4 bombs. So it has to be like this. Okay. So, 6 bombs left. You can only have 1 bomb, so you're good. You can only have 1 bomb, so you're good. Okay. You can only have 2 bombs, so you're clear, which means you have to be a bomb. And you have to be a bomb, which clears you. Okay. Right, so. Now, so this is a 4, which means you're a bomb. And 2 bombs here. You're clear. That's the second bomb there. 2 bombs, so you're clear. 3 bombs, so you're a bomb. 2 bombs, so you both are clear. And that means that is the last bomb. Whew. Okay. Finally had a successful Minesweeper. That was difficult. There was a lot of deductive reasoning that had to take place there. Let's check the stats. Ooh, that's not fun. 14% percentage success. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can pass one more. Let's see if we can pass one more. Bosh. 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 And bosh. Nice. You're good. No! Okay, I'm going to try. Before we solve it, I'm going to hit 10 spots. That's a challenge. 1. Goodness. 2. 3. 4. I think 10 might be extremely unreasonable. Let's see if we can do 5. 1, 2, 3. One. Oh, yeah. What are the chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we done it. So, you're a bomb. You're a bomb. You're a bomb. You're a bomb. You're not a bomb. You're a bomb, you're a bomb, you're a bomb. You're a bomb, you're a bomb. We know that you two are bombs. It means you have to be a bomb. You got 3, you're chilling. You're gonna speed run this one. You're fine, you got 4 bombs around you. That's a bit more tricky. You're a bomb. Ah, of course, you're a bomb. So all of you are chilling. You're a bomb. You can't be a bomb, which means you have to be a bomb. Because you're not a bomb, but you are a bomb, which means you two are not bombs. Neither are you. And neither are you. Okay, that's fun. Ah, you can't be a bomb. 1, 2, 3. You're the bomb there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Okay. So, now we are visiting Trickyville, ladies and gentlemen. All of these are effectively 2s as far as this is concerned. Oh no, not this one. That's only got 1 bomb left. I've got 2 bombs left. 2 bombs, 2 bombs, and 2 bombs. So, if... Oh wait, so you two have... So there's only 2 with that one, so those 2 are bombs, which means that 2 is fulfilled. So you're chilling. It means you have to be a bomb. And 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, so you're No! Ah, no, of course not. Of course, I might get the ad to save myself here. Yay. So, wait. But that's got a 2. Wait. That's only 2 bombs here. Oh, that's not a bomb. Why did I mark that one as a bomb? I was going too quickly. Okay, I need to stop playing. I was going too quick. I think I did pretty well. I think I did pretty well there. A little oversight because of my speed. But that is a failure. I can't make the same blunder that many times. That is embarrassing. So, thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful night. If you find yourself still awake or not relaxed, feel free to play some Minesweeper of your own, or watch another video. Or you can watch this one again and see me fail a million times. Thank you all so much for stopping off at Snore City. I will see you guys next time. Good night.